DENSO has been around for a really, really long time, locally in our area, over 30 years, and it's a very stable company to work for.
Before I started working here, I didn't know what DENSO was, but since I've been working here, knowing how much DENSO sort of has its footprint all over the world, it's actually a global company that a lot of people in America haven't heard of, but it interacts with everything you do. If you drive a car, you probably have a DENSO part in it.
So some of my daily tasks consist of fixing the machines, communicating with my other associates, and making sure all these production lines are working properly.
We do logistics. We repack finished good products.
My day-to-day here is basically working on the machines and producing product for DENSO.
I think what makes this place a really good work environment is just the people. Everybody helps each other. It's a really big team environment.
Characteristic about DENSO that I take pride in is the fact that DENSO is a family-friendly company.
My relationship with my associates, or the associates, are phenomenal. They're like family.
I actually used to play a lot of team sports, and I come in the morning and it's like we're just a group of friends getting together that happen to work together.
DENSO as a whole is a great company as far as pay and benefits. Pay is very, very competitive.
The benefits package, the 401k, the profit sharing that they have, and the bonuses that we get are quite substantial.
DENSO offers a lot of variety and advancement. That's something if people want to come in and actually pursue and keep moving up the ladder, it's here at DENSO.
Group leaders, troubleshooters, they got maintenance program. I mean, the sky's the limit, really.
It's very simple to move up here, and it's very easy. You just got to figure out which direction and which path you want to take, because there's so many different things to do here.
They want to dig into your core. They want to see what you have, what you can bring to DENSO.
You get to grow from this culture. You get to grow yourself personally, and sometimes you get that ability to help other people grow.
The automotive industry has just improved greatly since I've been here. For people who want to actually come in and be on the cutting edge technology, DENSO is a place to be.